bodies of three men believed to be close relatives found in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne police have launched a death investigation after the bodies of two men were found at a house in Dunbarton near Discovery Bay, St. Anne on Monday. While the identities of the men have not yet been disclosed by the police, residents say that the pair are believed to be a father and his son who have not been seen since late December. Checks were made at the premises on Monday and the bodies were found in an advanced state of decomposition. The police were alerted and the bodies removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The men were reportedly ailing for some time according to residents. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.